Welcome to Mid Wales, beautiful Rhayader or Rhayader, I'm not sure which way it's pronounced. And I'm just at the foot of Gwastedyn hill, which is up here. We're at the red kite feeding centre. Lovely views over the Wye Valley, and you can see them all circling, ready for their 3 PM feed. They're all swooping down. I'll show you in a bit. That's incredible. Wow. So we've finished with the red kites and we've just come down to Rhayader, to the town. And this is the River Wye. With Maggie enjoying the rocks. And look at this. Rhayader Falls. Rhayader in Welsh means waterfall, or Rhayader. And I learned that this town here is the first town on the Wye, which is interesting. That's an amazing building there. I think that might give a chartered surveyor a headache, mightn't it? Looks like it's going to fall into the river any minute. Fantastic view of the falls. It's only small, but what a beautiful place. And look at this here, these rock formations. They're incredible. They almost look like they're man-made. Absolutely amazing. This first bit is like a living jungle. Bracken over head height. The foxgloves are pretty. They're nice. But God, muggy and humid in here. Ah. Brambles as well that I'm not paying attention to. Okay. Incredible views now of the upper Wye Valley, going southward and then northward through Rhayader. I think that might be Gmalt in the middle. I know someone who might answer that question for me. But wow, what a view. This is the mountain road here. And that's obviously Rhayader. And we got choice of 2 paths. This one, I think maybe here. I'll have a look at the map now. First bit is very steep actually. More of the same views. So, it's a nice path. Nice short grass. Nothing technically difficult, but it's very steep. That A470s looks vertical from here because the mountains of the upper Wye, a lot of the edges go vertically up, so I thought it'd be steep. But yeah, the first third of this is brutal, man. It's knackering. Anyway, we're getting there. We're going to get up onto that ridge bit, and then I think we've broken the back of the height. So we've entered sort of a plateau bit with the cairn in view now. And this is quite cool. There's a pathway here through some rocky areas. These rocky outcrops. Really nice. So yeah, the path goes through these rocks, and then I think it wraps round back on yourself. So we're on our way to the cairn, but I've just realised the true summit is up there. Didn't see that when planning this walk. So there's another climb to do after that. Some great views to the east here as well. So we're going to get up there. At first up to the cairn. We'll show you a view from there, and then the second one on the summit. So we're at the cairn. This is the Silver Jubilee cairn. Quite impressive. The views here are incredible. Rhayader Forest, over to the Brecon Beacons, Enevan, Cribbin, all that North Ridge. I can see Mynydde Troed, Pennout Moor, all of the North Ridge of the Black Mountains. They're like old friends in the distance. Insane views of the Upper Wye Valley here. Amazing. Mid Wales is amazing, man. I'm so happy to be here. That's the first time I've ever been here. You can see the Wye here come through, and then as it comes along there's Dragon Vower there, and it goes through here and here, and then you can see its path all the way through to Hay Bluff, the Hay on Wye. It's absolutely incredible. Okay, so this is Gwastedyn Hill, main summit. Had to do a barbed wire fence and gorse and bracken to get here. There's no obvious path that we could find, but the views are great. It's really steep this side. Goes right down. Quick look at the views. The views are better obviously to the south. Really good. Right, I'm going to get down. I hope you've enjoyed that one. That's a fantastic hill in Mid Wales. It's only like 450 metres, but it was quite tough. Very steep. See you again. There's some footage of these red kites. So the feeding station is just there. I can see hundreds of them swooping down. It's 3 o'clock, it's when they feed them. They're all up in the sky there, they're everywhere. Wow, what a sight. It's descending down, but wow, what a sight. To be walking right down with views to the north of the Wye Valley and being literally surrounded by red kites. That is cool. That is a good feature to finish this Mid Wales trip with. Brilliant.